Hey everybody, Jason Hubbard here with eXp Realty, touring through, today we're out in Gilbert. We're in the Waterston North community by Tri Pointe Homes, and we're looking at the Wimbrel collection, and we're gonna take a walk through on the Knoll floor plan. The Knoll floor plan, 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,515 square feet, single level. Let's go ahead, walk through, take a look, and see what you think. Nice little breezeway walking through here to the Knoll floor plan. You'll see here gutters in this little courtyard area out front. Slider there going into the house, and then the main entry. Let's go ahead and take a walk through. All right, as we enter into the Knoll floor plan here, big open entryway. Keep in mind, this is a model home, so it is definitely highly upgraded. You can see here on the ceilings, light fixtures. Tri Pointe Homes gives you the option here of the straight edge corner walls and the no texture drywall. I always like to start these off here in the main living areas. You'll see here you have the 4-panel slider on this side and a 3-panel slider on this side. 10-foot ceilings in here.
Starting your wet pad.
Lots of built-ins in this ginormous great room area. Lots of windows as well. See the dining area here, right off of the kitchen. I love it when they have the dining area, nice big dining area, nice big great room area. Right to the kitchen. You can open up those doors to the backyard and have an indoor-outdoor party. Again, like I said, this is the model, so it's highly upgraded. Quartz countertops. This would be great in a cascading countertop. Pendant lighting there. Chef's style kitchen with the fan hood, the gas range. I'm sure they have here a double oven option, but here you see the microwave and the oven. Okay, let's go ahead and take a walk back into the main bedroom. I love it here in the main bedroom. They have a door to go out to the backyard as well. Built in there here in the corner, which I'm sure is an option. And of course the highly upgraded chandelier and the wall there. Remember, this is a Tri Pointe home. We're at Waterston North, and we are in the Knoll floor plan, which is located in the Wimbrel collection. Wimbrel collection is near closeout, so we're running out of time to buy in this community for this collection and for this floor plan. Nice big bathroom, double sinks, ginormous walk-in shower with the rainfall and the regular shower head. Big master closet. Okay, coming back towards the front door here. On this end, you will see a full bathroom. I believe this is an option for a half bath or a full bath. And guest bedroom number 1, they're using it here as a den, but it is a bedroom, full closet there. This here could be a separate dining room, separate den, kind of a flex room option. And here you have a teen room. Could also be used as a den, but this is labeled as a teen room, which has its own sliding glass door there. Full bathroom here for the guest wing of bedrooms. This bedroom here has a full walk-in closet. This bedroom here has a full walk-in closet as well. We're at the front of the house here. Okay, coming back around through this flex room, you'll see right here off of the kitchen is the pantry. That door there goes out to the garage, or at least the two-car garage. And here's your laundry room. Again, model home, fully upgraded laundry room with a sink. And bedroom number 5. This one here has its own bathroom. So in this floor plan, that brings 4 bathrooms, is the way the model shows. The floor plan actually shows 3.5 bathrooms. All right. All right, let's go ahead and take a walk outside real quick. So this floor plan here, the Knoll floor plan, has a nice big covered patio. Extends out both ways, pretty good size. Again, keeping in mind this is the model home, so the backyard is very, very well developed to make it look good so that they can sell homes. See here, built-in barbecue, little ramada. So these homes are pretty big homes. So considering the home size, this is a relatively decent sized lot. You can see what it looks like here. This one backs to a green belt, but these floor plans here in the Wimbrow collection, they're pretty big single story homes. There is some 2-story homes in this collection, which obviously you're gonna have more yard with the 2-story home, but this is what the lot looks like here for the Knoll floor plan. Okay, as we finish up here today, remember we are in Waterston North by Tri Pointe Homes. We are in the Knoll floor plan located in the Wimbrow collection. This floor plan here, 3,515 square feet. Remember, when you come to this community, bring your real estate agent with you. The agents are super helpful in the office. They're very nice, but they do not represent you. They represent their client, which is the builder, okay, the seller. So bring representation with you the first time you come in, because after the first time, if you don't have representation, they probably will not let you have representation. If you have any questions, comment down below, or you can reach me at 480-588-2281. Again, Jason Hubbard with eXp Realty. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can make sure you catch me on the next video I do. I'm going throughout the valley through new home communities and taking you on tours through those new homes. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.